What do you got going on today? Oh, I'm stuffed full of chicken tacos. Now I'm sleepy. Kind of want to take a nap. But I gotta get these on. We're doing it. I gotta get these on this. In order for these to go on, this has to come apart. So let's get it done. Ew. What do you guys need? Hand cam. All right. There's gonna be a lot of these plastic poppers that are gonna come off. The weather seal is just kind of like on a little hook in a hole. Duh. Show is. Brilliant engineering on that. I already guessed it's a T20. That was lucky. What you guys can see or not, because the camera screen is almost right against my chest. As you can see, the can you see? Yeah, you can see. Yeah, this factory fender's gone. It's toast. Let's see, these will play nice. Just as bad. It's not even holding on to anything. So this is why these fenders are out in GM's infinite wisdom to put sound deadening on the exterior part of a car that gets into the weather against your lower fenders after they've fallen. All this does is soak up salt water and rot your fenders from the inside out. Alright, if I remember correctly, this fender should just pull away. It just clipped in there. Not the fender, the bumper cover. Incidentally, like where we're at now, taking this whole bumper cover off and having to take the headlights completely out is how you change any of your bulbs on a 2015, because for some reason, and there used to be a little a door here. 2015, they got rid of it.
So let's try it.
Just gonna get some bungees and bungee those out of the way. So much rot. Makes me sad. I bought this car new back in 2015. I think it's stickered for like 31,000, something like that. Which is amazing because it's like 10 years, it's not even 70,000 miles later. Things just rotting away. And a hidden bolt. Okay, so we got. Oh, I bet there's one hidden under here. Of course, this is all held on by crap that'll break. Hang on, hang on, hang on. I gotta show the fans. What are you doing?
Fans.
Yeah.
You
Got
have
50
those.
of them now. All right, go ahead, pull that off. Got more than you do. There we go. Fender. Yeah, this is all that freaking garbage that they just tacked onto the inside of this fender. A lot of times, rodents will get in here and just like use it up for nest. Just stupid. Right, another fastener just hanging out. It all falls down in here and rots the fender away. All right, here's where we're at right now. Got the fenders off, front end off. Had to get the front end off and the headlights out. Get the fenders off. All right, one more little quick detail here. I gotta get all these little clamps, clips, mounting things off the old fender onto the new. You can really see how body panels can start rotting from the inside out. The outside don't look too bad, but this is how it happens. They start rotting from the inside out, and next thing you know, you got holes. You having fun yet? I just want to make sure they don't fall out while I'm putting the fenders in. Hanging body panels is not my favorite activity. Getting everything aligned back up, sometimes a pain in the ass. And I'm going to get all these fender bolts just snug so that the fender can be moved. But it'll stay where I move it to. Wow, that is freaking terrible. So this is what we have to fix here. It is horrible. Look at that. It is sticking way up. It's gonna take a lot of movement. This side is not as bad. It's not great. But that's all part of doing body panels.
Real bad.
Yeah. They always have to be tweaked a little bit, but
Right.
this is excessive. Not bent very well. God, that is terrible. It's like they didn't even put the bend in the right spot.
Is it like close enough that you could take like a dead blow on a rag and
All right, here's where we're at now. It's a lot better. The corner's not sticking up anymore. All right, it's an Equinox. It's not like it's got Mercedes body lines. That gap is pretty even. Just got to bring it out here on the inside. Open it really slow. Close it really slow. Alright, so it's the next day. I don't know what happened to the footage that I took while we were putting the fenders back on this thing. For some reason, it was just gone. Never made it. But anyway, what I had pointed out in that lost footage was getting all the gaps and leveling lined up. I'm not sure how much this camera is going to capture. We got the door gaps pretty close right now. I'm going to come in a little bit at the bottom. This top looks pretty good. See the corners. Corners are pretty good. Not too bad. Hood is sitting just a little low here. The door gap's pretty even. And we're pretty flush. So yeah, again, I don't know what the hell happened to the video I took. And I also don't know how much this camera is going to pick up the difference with the paint. The paint we picked up is a lot more metal flake than the factory. It wasn't so noticeable last night with the sun being down, but yeah, in full sun. You can definitely see a difference. But anyway, that's where we're at right now. Call this one pretty much done. Thanks for hanging. I know this was a long video, but it was a lot of work. And I'll catch you on the next one.